Hello, boys and girls. This is a video to teach you how to play Place Value Battle. First, you'll need your deck of cards and a partner. Now, the cards have two different kinds. You have cards that have your quick tens and quick ones, and you also have cards that are just numbers. Place Value Battle is really simple to play. Now, take your cards, all cards, give them a good mix up, and then you're going to put the cards face down, which means you can't see what's on the other side, in between you and your partner. Now, you and your partner, you're going to pull a card, and you're going to put it face up. Then you're going to look at both cards, and you're going to compare the numbers. You're going to see who has the greatest number. It could be tricky because one could have a number card, one could have a quick tens and quick ones, or you could have both the same. So once you figure out who has the greatest number, then that player gets to keep both cards. If you keep cards, you put them to the side and do not put them back in the deck. Now, if there's a tie, then, which means that you and your partner have the same number, then that means that you have to pick another card. Each player picks another card. And then you figure out who has the greatest number between those cards. Whoever has the greatest number between those cards then gets to keep all 4 cards. Now, the game is over once all cards are done. Have fun!